So, hi my friends and seniors, welcome to my channel. This video is gonna be a funny video and a very crazy video because guys, today in this video I will use some crazy things to practice. Yes guys, I also share with you that always practice English, because how much you will practice English, you will learn your experience, it will grow up and you can develop a lot. So today I will show you a practice that I do and I'm at home alone. This practice doesn't need someone, any partner or anything, just you and objects. Okay, take different objects, and after taking them, just speak. Okay, just speak, make sentences about the object, what is the object and what is the structure of the object, why we use it, what are the benefits of that, and also like, dislike, just whatever is coming in your brain, just speak about it. And this practice is a very great practice, and this practice also will help you to increase your vocabulary also, because how much you will speak, okay, you also will feel the need of words, then you will search for it, okay, and it will develop your experience, your thinking, it will develop. Because the most important, the way you can develop your English more better is the way by thinking English fast. Okay, now whatever you were thinking, when you will be able to express that thing very fast in English, that time you will be advanced speaker. Okay, otherwise what you know, what I know, we everyone can say that, we everyone can speak English, but expressing our thoughts instantly like we do in our mother tongue, this is the real game. And today in this video you will master this. So the first object of this video is this bottle. Okay, yes guys, like this bottle, this is also Nimbu Pani bottle, and this bottle is an empty bottle. I drank the Nimbu Pani which was into it, and now this is my subject of speaking. Like, just do these kinds of thing, just take crazy things and make video of yourself, or you can practice in front of the mirror, just do. Or you also are now in a study table and you are feeling boring, taking an object and start speaking. Okay, there is no one who can say you are doing wrong or bad, it's just depend on you. So this Nimbu Pani is a very good. I usually drink Nimbu Pani whenever I just go for some kind of traveling. Okay, while traveling, whenever I go on bus, okay, or also whenever I travel by car, at that time I feel like vomiting. Okay, I do lots of time vomit, so that's why I always carry a Nimbu Pani with me, because whenever I feel that, then when I drink the Nimbu Pani, then all of these feelings and they all just go away. That's why for safety I just use this Nimbu Pani, because I don't know why Nimbu Pani also don't make us feel vomiting. It's also really good for our stomach too. And whenever you will some people like Nimbu Pani, I like Nimbu Pani, but for whenever I am just traveling, that kind of thing. Okay, otherwise my favorite juice is fruity, and also I like Sprite little. So now I will talk about this structure, means the body of this bottle. So as you can see, this bottle is empty. Like, we have learned a new word, empty. We know empty and also fulfilled. So this bottle is empty, and this bottle is a little bottle, a short kind of bottle. The net content is 160 ml, means this is a 160 ml bottle of Nimbu Pani, and this bottle is 10 weight, let me see the like cost of the bottle. It is 10 rupees. Yes, I was right that it is 10 rupees, and I have brought it from our nearby grocery shop. And this bottle is really good looking bottle, and it is very friendly in our hand. Okay, you can carry it wherever you want, on your pocket, and also if you want, then you can put it in your bag. This bottle cap, it is in white color, and the body, mean the plastic cover, it is also in white color. You can see this is the bottle nimbu pani. There are two nimbus are showing, and also the juice of the nimbu, it's also just spreading out. I am not also doing some kind of branding things, it is totally natural. And now the next, okay, one thing I also remembered, that why not we just expand our thinking. Okay, expand your thinking, this is very important. Okay, like I know these things, the things that I said you, they are normal, we everyone know, but expand your thinking as much you can. Just think and speak, spend time with this. Like bottle, why we use bottle? This is also one kind of a bottle, empty bottle. So why we use bottle? This is the question. Make question, ask to yourself, and the answer will come automatically. So whenever we will think about the bottle, then obviously the answer will come to carry the water. Now water is a very important resource for our life and also for us. We also, if you stay without water for a long time, you also can face the dehydration. So that's why in every 30 minutes we should drink water. One glass water is also very enough. So one glass water. But when we are in home, okay, well, it means at home, we can drink water with the help of the glass. Okay, there is also glass. With the help of the glass, take the water and just drink it. But whenever you will go somewhere far away from your house, where is nothing, one kind of like where is no glasses, then how you will drink water? Then we use bottle. Like this is also a bottle, this is the cap. Okay, when I will open the cap and when I will put the water into the bottle, then now I have stored a good quantity of water, like one glass of water I have stored. Now I can drink whenever I want the water. I know this is the normal thing, we everyone do this is the common things. A small child also know this, but still I am doing, I am repeating, I am speaking. Why? Because for my speaking practice. Okay, because for my speaking practice, that's why I said this video is gonna be crazy video. And now the next one is this. Yes, now lots of people will ask that what is this, what kind of thing it is, what kind of thing is it? So for them I want to share that this is a mobile stand. Okay, now mobile stand means that whenever we see any kinds of picture, movies, videos, at that time, like we also take the phone by our hand, we hold the phone. But if you have this kind of stand, then you can put the phone on the stand and you can watch that film. Okay, doesn't matter you are sleeping, you are sitting, you are standing, but it will just be a good showpiece. And also you are writing notes, and when this stand is in front of you and you are watching a lecture. Now while watching a lecture on YouTube, like one shot videos, very beneficial for children's, for students like me. So whenever I watch one shot videos or whenever I watch like English lectures, then also I put my phone on it and I just write, because notes is also very important. While watching I also make notes. So that's why I can't hold the phone by like this with my hand. I also know this is a very old technique, but now we have stands. Now also lots of people, you will see that what they will do, they will take any kinds of bottle or something object, and they will just they will put the phone in front of the bottle, and they will just let the phone stand. Okay, let the phone stand. Now you also can feel it, you also have done, we have done lots of times. But this is also stand also works for this, like you don't have any place to put your phone, so that's why you can use this stand. So it was the thing, a very normal thing. And now this is the another object, it is like highlighter. So what is the highlighter, what is the works of the highlighter? First speak about the structure. What is this thing? So this is a highlighter, and if I talk about the structure of it, then it is very normal, okay, like the marker, but it is way more different, because you can see the structure of it. It is also one kind of in a square type, okay, square like a box. So this highlighter, this is a yellow color highlighter. So yellow color highlighter, the cap, it's also in yellow color. Okay, you can see like yellow color, and the body is in the black color. So there are also some brandings on it, which I will not show and which I will not talk about. Now how we just highlight things. First of all, we open the cap, and then you also can see this is the highlighter. So whatever we see something like important notes, important things, okay, we just highlight all of them. Now important things, what kind of important things? Like my family members, they are also important for me. That doesn't mean that I will just go and highlight them. No, it's not the thing. Like you are reading, you are studying, and while reading some few sentences, few words, okay, which is important, you just think. So for them, just highlighting is the way to capture them. Like highlighting is where like see that the a page is there, but now there are lots of things in a page. There are lots of words, lots of sentences in a page. So now I am reading the page, and then when I am reading the paragraph, I have seen an important sentence. Okay, into the whole paragraph there is an important sentence. Now next time when I will read, how I will remember this, which sentence was important? Okay, it's not easy to remember a sentence which is important by reading it one time. That's why you use highlighting. We just highlight. For the next time whenever we will read it again, then we will understand it very clearly that, oh, this is the important sentence, important word. This is the work of highlighter. But when I started learning English, then also there was a great rule of this highlighter. What I did, I will share a story with you. Like the first day of my life, okay, when I just started the English journey, it was not grammar things, it was not nothing. At that time I was in class 2. One day what happened, that I was at my home, and in our house we are 4 people, me, my mother, my father, and my sister. So my mother and my sister, they went in a wedding, and I and my father, we were at the house. So I was reading, and then suddenly I saw that my father came into the room, and he gave me this highlighter. Okay, and he also gave me this highlighter. He said to me that the words that you can pronounce, that you know, okay, just highlight them. And I also just highlighted. There were like minimum in a page, in the paragraph, the story that I was reading, it was Healthy's Adventure, the first story of class 2. So I also could not pronounce, I also could not even read English good. At that my father understood, and he started practicing, like he started teaching me and also giving me lessons, guiding me. Then what we did, he also said the words that you can pronounce, the words that you understand, okay, highlight them by and with the help of the yellow highlighter. But the words that you did not understand, highlight them with the pink highlighter. And I also did the same. But the thing which was that there were lots of pink highlighted words, minimum like 80% of the words, 80% of the sentences I could not understand. Okay, that's why I highlighted them in with the pink color. And then my father realized that he is like very weak in English, and then from that day we started our journey learning English and also practicing English daily. I also did the same for a long time. Everything that I would read, I would highlight them. Okay, all of the stories. If I also show you my old class 2, class 3, class 4 books that I read, then you will be like amazed, like why someone just highlighting like all of the things, like all of the story that I read, I also highlighted them, all of the things that I could, okay, like I understood in the yellow color, and all of the things that I did not understood, I just highlighted in the pink color. Then my father also would understand me all of the words that I did not understand, like all of their pronunciation, all of their meaning, what is the meaning of the words in Bengali, everything, and we also would discuss. and then I would read the story lots of time, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 times, minimum 100 times, and then I would explain it with my father. So this thing, okay, from a little thing our journey started, and now see where I am also can speak English very easily and very freely. So that's why the credit goes to my father, who just also helped me and also guided me so much. So it was the thing, like highlighting. And also one day my father gave me a challenge. He gave me a book and he said to me that from this book everything just highlight. Now I said, highlight, why I will highlight, and also how I will highlight. He just gave me one red highlighter and he said all of the words that you can't, okay, you don't know, just highlight them in pink color, and the words that you know, you just highlight them in the yellow color. Okay, the book was a different kind of book. I don't know which book it was, but I did. And also at the end, when I just completed the whole book, I highlighted the whole book. I also did not read anything, but still I highlighted. And then also at the end my father gave me a gift. So like lots of stories I have, lots of stories. And that's why, like, see guys, with only a highlighter, how much things I just spoke. This thing I am trying to understand you. Do this, it is really fun. And now the great topic is like shoes. Yes, like shoes. There is no one, okay, no one will tell you that what you should do and what you don't. It is a new and a brand new shoe. So that's why I will talk about this shoe. So this shoe is one kind of, it is sneakers. Okay, this is called sneakers. Shoe, everything is shoe, okay, footwear. But there are also some names of the shoe. Like this shoe's name is sneakers. I know a little, but I know. And this shoe is in a very beautiful like design, also very beautiful. It is a brand new shoe, and the whole shoe is in white color. I love white color shoes because my favorite color is white, that's why. And also you can see the laces, they are too white, and there are lots of few dots like designs in the shoe. And this shoe, it is, I don't know, like it is also made of foam. Okay, foam. It is not made of like the normal shoes that we wear. It is a little bit different. It is made of foam. And so like what we do with shoes, like say like now everybody know, if you say to someone that why we wear shoe, what gonna be the answer? The answer gonna be that we wear shoe to walk. And now the question is that why walk? For walking we don't wear shoe, because in the ancient times people they also would walk, but at that time they would not use shoes. The reason is that whenever we just go somewhere, okay, at our home we don't use shoes, but outside there are lots of things, okay, on the road, on the floor, on the ground, like lots of pebbles are there, and also lots of things. Like we people now, we are modern people, we don't want to make our like foot, okay, dirty or that kind of thing. So that's why we wear shoes. Actually we wear shoes to protect our feet, but nowadays there are lots of designing of shoes. Like this shoe is also, this is a very beautiful designed shoe. So now also like matching our outfit, we also wear shoes, normal thing. And this shoe is not for running shoe. There are different kinds of like playing shoe, sports shoe, running shoe, and also sneakers, as I said to you. So this was the thing, normal thing. So now guys, just see, with this small little things I also made a video, and you also can do a practice. So these kinds of for these kinds of crazy videos, like and subscribe my channel. I am Prativ Barman, and I will meet you in another video. Bye bye.